Hi everyone, Nicole here. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we hope you hit the subscribe button because we bring you everything DIY. So for today, I'm bringing back the whole repotting, replanting, like I said in one of my other videos. It's wintertime here, so I'm walking around the house, checking my winter plants and needing to repot those. So as I was doing that, I had this cute little, let me grab it. I have this cute little terracotta pot that I got last year and I actually painted, and I printed off a decal with like it's called the skinny font. It's like Ray Dunn inspired font. And I stuck that on there, and I had a little plant in here for almost a year, and I just love this pot. It's so cute. It's terracotta, if I didn't mention that already. And I kept, after I repotted the plant, I kept like walking by this little terracotta pot going, he's so cute. I probably have something that still needs to be bumped up in a pot, and I actually do. I have a succulent that needs its own little space. So he can get a little bigger. So what we're gonna do today is we are going to upcycle what we already have and make it a little different. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. First, I have to remove this little decal, and I hope it should come off fairly easy. And guys, the process I'm gonna take here is using the molds with the air dry clay, just like I did in the DIY Christmas ornament video. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So I'm not going to go through all the steps of how to put your air dry clay in the mold and things like that. If you want to learn those steps, then I will link that video below, and then you can check that out. So now that we have the decal off, I'm going to grab one of my molds, like before. I'm going to take the tacky glue and just liberally put it on back. I just thought when I saw this pot, and it was like racking my brain going, should I just repaint it or put a new decal on it or something? I was like, oh my gosh, what about the molds and the air dry clay? What a good idea. It looks so pretty. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna try to get this kind of on the lip and on the bottom part of the pot, and just press that on there. And I don't want to get like too far up on the lip, because you know you're gonna water these things. This is just plain old experiment, so you never know what's gonna happen, but we can always, keep an eye on it over the next few months and see how it goes, and give you updates and things like that. So here's another one that just broke a little bit, which is fine. Just going to go a little bit opposite for the other one. I might only need about 4 or so. But I'm going to keep doing this and keep adding and see where we end up. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to go ahead and paint. Here it is. Got all the pieces on there. Now I'm just gonna give them a little bit of time to dry up a little better, and then we're gonna go ahead and paint. Okay, here we go. Let's get started. Now I'm gonna use, it's a matte black by Bear. And I figured, this was white. I'm gonna do, I want the black on it, and then I'll do maybe like a dry brush white over it. to bring out the depth of the mold. So I'm going to get to painting. Okay guys, so here we go. I did 2 coats of the black. And now I'm going to dry brush. I'm going to dry brush some white paint. I'm just going to get that on my brush, and then I'm just going to show you here. And then I'm just going to kind of dab it a bit so it's a little drier, and then lightly wipe over. Do not need a lot of paint for this. And that's it. Look how cute that is. It's so pretty. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the saucer part. Okay, I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to take these and plant up the succulent, and then we'll see how it looks all planted. Thanks for joining us in today's video. Let us know in the comments below if this video inspired you. And also feel free to share your DIYs with us. We love seeing them. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button where you'll find more DIYs. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram, where we share more of our DIY lifestyle. We hope to see you in the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye. If you're new here, we'd hope you'd hit the subscribe. Hi everyone, Nicole here. Welcome to our channel. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for joining us in today's video. In the comments below, thanks so much for joining us in today's video. Let us know in the comments below if this video inspired you. And also feel free